contributions to the NP's government's ability to provide completed projects, not even one completed project. The Agenda 111
bit of debate on the floor. The Speaker of Parliament didn't seem to agree with them making that video. General Secretary of the GMA, the MP for Lambusi also delivered an interesting perspective to it. He is actually the board chairman for the Kolebu Teaching Hospital, and he made a point about the fact that there are people in Parliament who, when their relatives are unwell, they go over to Kolebu, they do not get a bed, but when they call him and he places a call, they manage to get a bed. So he was making a point that it cannot be that there are no beds.
But the point also that the Speaker of Parliament sought to exude from the Deputy Health Minister was whether or not a bed is needed to treat an emergency case. And I remember he asked her that question continuously, and she admitted that the ambulance itself is the bed.
It's a bed, yes.
And so such emergency cases could have been properly handled and treated even in the ambulance. And so in addition to the Agenda 111 projects, which we're hoping the President will speak on, they also spoke about refurbishing of the ambulances that we currently have, so that the ambulances can serve properly as beds for doctors to treat emergency cases.
Joseph, what do we see now?
Yeah, so the Marshal is leading the Parliament team. You see the clerk